Another DoD declassified video of UFOs, red orbs rotating in formation, Northeastern United States, 2022. These are two of them, as we could see, rotating in formation. March 2022, approximately 19:20 hours local time in the Northeastern United States, an eyewitness observed two bright red luminous light sources hovering near the horizon at an estimated distance of about 2,500 feet. Both luminous objects maintained generally stationary positions throughout the encounter. The lower light source appeared to rotate slowly relative to the upper one, the upper light source, moving from an apparent 6 o'clock position to slightly beyond the apparent 9 o'clock position. The eyewitness did not hear any sounds from the light sources. The eyewitness captured this video using an iPhone 12 Pro at a location well known to them, which is sparsely populated, they say. And the description above is derived from the statements provided to the Federal Bureau of Investigation, the FBI, by an eyewitness to the event. The FBI assesses the individual who reported this event as highly credible. The subject matter described in files FBI UAP D004 through FBI UAP D008 and depicted in the video footage FBI UAP PR001 through 003, this is 002 by the way, corresponds to reports originating from the same general area in the Northeastern United States. Again, we have no more text or information concerning this. They say it's a credible witness, so they're taking his words for it, even though he took the video with an iPhone 12 Pro. Again, we don't know where these crafts are coming from, who is behind them, what type of technology they're using, and those who are responsible for the security of the skies above, the national security of the skies above our country, don't tell us what this could be. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.